Mercedes.
Are you recording it?
Yeah. That's funny though, because she didn't even do anything.
Yeah, she just... Are you gonna open your presents? Yeah.
Might as well start now since she'll probably get distracted once she sees them on the webcam. It'll be like watching TV.
Look, ready? Look. Ooh, what's going on? You can do it.
So is it just having you do all the registration stuff then?
Mercedes! Wow! Sunday shoes, right?
Yeah.
Look.
Uh-huh.
You want to open this one? Let's open the small ones first.
Man, why does it... Maybe your internet's slow, I don't know. You playing with the tissue paper?
Yeah.
Well, I guess you guys...
It's a dolly!
Do you want to open Windows Live then instead?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a dolly.
Windows Messenger, Windows Live. I don't know which computer it's on. I mean, that's what we used before, you know, during the summer. Huh? Windows Live? I was saying you could use that instead if you still have it on your computer.
I think they're going to have to wait 2 years until Blake comes back from his mission.
And it says it's just taking too long. Ooh. Those are fancy.
Those pretty presents.
Mercedes.
Did your parents buy them? Or?
Yeah, those are all from Grandma and Grandpa Holiday.
Oh, look at the nice shoes they
I'll
bought.
let her open all of them. So, fine, I don't care.
No, we should wait. Yeah?
Is
this recording all this time?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Uh-oh.